Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, BentleyBlonde. So a lot of you guys had expressed interest in seeing more home decor related videos here on my channel. So I definitely want to bring you guys along and share with you some of our projects. So I am super excited this week because I am partnering with the Lamps Plus family to do a quick and easy outdoor lighting makeover. Many of you all know that we built our home back in 2013, and we have done quite a few updates on the interior of our home, but I haven't done as much outside. I've always wanted to replace our builder grade standard lighting out on the front porch, so I'm really excited to show you guys what we chose for our lighting update. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys what we have up currently and just showing you the before and after, because really lighting makes such a big impact in any space. One of the first things that we did when we moved into our home was update almost all of the interior lighting. I think the only light that we haven't replaced is the big foyer light, and that's just because it is so high up there. But everything else we switched out, and the reason for that is because lighting really changes the overall feeling of a room. It's a quick and affordable way to give a room an instant update. So I'm going to share with you guys the outdoor lighting that we chose from Lamps Plus, and then I'm going to take you guys outside and show you the lighting that we have up now. Alright guys, so I'm here on the Lamps Plus website. These are the gorgeous outdoor lights that we chose for our front porch. They are the Bransford 21-inch high Black-Specked gray outdoor wall light. And you can see they are rated one of the most popular on the website from customer reviews. I just absolutely love them. They're really good size, so they're going to look substantial in any outdoor area that you install them in. I loved the curved arm detail. It made it look like the lantern was hanging. Really great steel construction, and it does have glass panel inserts, and those were packaged all separately. Everything was wrapped really nicely. So shipping was fabulous. Nothing arrived damaged or broken, which was great, but I just thought that these were absolutely beautiful. They almost reminded me of the colonial sort of gas lantern style that you would see in Colonial Williamsburg. Definitely wanted to update our lighting to something more traditional with a colonial type feel, and these lanterns are perfect. So Lamps Plus is absolutely my go-to for all of our lighting needs. They have a really excellent website. Actually, our dining room chandelier is also from Lamps Plus. I had ordered that from them a couple years back, and it's still one of my favorite chandeliers. It's just beautiful. So I've always been really impressed with them. So I was excited to work with them on this outdoor lighting update. But really their website has everything. They've been in business for over 40 years, and they just have a ton of options, from ceiling lights and pendant lights to lamps, outdoor lighting, ceiling fans. They even have furniture and home decor, and the selection is really incredible, you guys. They create all of their lighting in-house, so you're going to be having unique pieces, which I really love, and you guys will be on this website forever. It took me so long to pick out these outdoor lights because they literally just have thousands of options. So definitely check out their website if you're thinking of updating your lighting or your home furnishings at your house. Customer service is excellent. They can absolutely answer any questions that you have. Also, they have a YouTube channel that has a ton of how-to videos and information about lighting, which I will go ahead and link down below. Also have an Instagram where you can get a ton of inspiration. I highly recommend Lamps Plus, you guys. I'm so impressed with all of the lighting that we have ordered from them. So this is our current outdoor lighting on the front porch. You can see they're just really basic little carriage lights. I've always thought that I really needed something more substantial here, just because these are super tiny. So they look like this, and we are going to be switching these out with gorgeous new carriage lights from Lamps Plus. I am so excited because the new outdoor lighting is up. My husband was able to install them this weekend, and they are so gorgeous. It really makes a huge difference here in our outdoor space. And this is what the lighting looks like on. Aren't they beautiful? They put out way more light than our previous lighting did. So I'm really excited about that. So here it is close up. You can see it's a really sturdy piece. I absolutely love the curved arm detail. I can't get over that. But even though it looks like it's hanging, it's actually not. It's completely stationary, so it's not going to like move around in the wind or anything like that. And you can see that it has hanging the candelabra style bulbs. Really gorgeous. I'm just completely in love with them. me turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like lit up close. So here it is turned on, and you can see that the candelabra just gives off a beautiful warm glow. And I just feel like it gives our entire front porch space just a welcoming ambience. To me, this lighting just says, come on in and eat some warm biscuits. This lighting is just a beautiful welcome to our guests. So while I'm here on the front porch, I just wanted to show you our potted plants that we have here on either side of the front door, because I get a lot of questions about them on my Instagram. So a quick tip for when you are doing potted arrangements, always use 3 plants. Use a thriller, a spiller, and a filler. So the thriller in this arrangement would be the spiky plant in the back. The filler is the beautiful impatiens, which kind of just fill in the entire arrangement. And then the spiller is a plant that's going to spill out of the pot and kind of trail down. So I think this is a bacopa. I'm not sure if I have the name right. But you could also use a sweet potato vine or a creeping jenny. I've also used those before. So that's just a quick tip for you guys to get a really nice and full looking arrangement. So I'm super happy with our new outdoor lighting from Lamps Plus. They really exceeded my expectations. The website ordering process was super easy. Shipping was fantastic, and they are absolutely gorgeous. My husband installed these in just about an hour and a half, and that included taking down the old lights. So this is definitely a really quick way to update any space. I think they made a huge difference in our front porch area. They're way more substantial. They're super welcoming. They give a really nice glow to the front porch at night. They even tie in with our milk can, our planters. Super happy with them. So I'm going to go ahead and link this exact lighting style down in the description box if you're interested in ordering. These are the 21-inch high version, but I believe they also have a 17-inch high version if you're looking for the same style but in a smaller size. So I'll go ahead and link both of those as well as all of Lamps Plus links. So give this video a thumbs up if you're interested in seeing more home decor related videos here on my channel. And let me know down in the comments below what you think of this before and after front porch makeover. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.